Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you could join me today. My name is Callie and I'm a spiritual teacher and coach. I have a psychology degree and I'm a pranic healer. And today we're going to be talking about how do you recognize a frenemy? So the word frenemy is a portmanteau of the word friend and enemy. And it means somebody who is outwardly very friendly towards you, but inwardly they may not like you and they don't have your best interests at heart. Frenemies can be work colleagues, social contacts, siblings, or members of a group that you've joined. They're often very hard to spot because they'll be acting very positively towards you to your face, but acting differently behind your back. And some signs that someone's a frenemy: they gossip behind your back, they don't encourage you or praise you when you have a success, they don't seem happy when you have a success. But on the other hand, they seem happy when you have a failure, when you're losing. Sometimes they might want to be friends too quickly. This can be a sign that they want something from you. And ultimately, their goal is to make you fail. It's hard to spot these people because they're very nice to your face and they're doing a lot of these things behind your back. And the signs can be very subtle. But one sign that's more easy to spot is how you feel when you're around them. Do you feel like you are drained or tired or always having to comfort them and boost them up, and it's not reciprocated? Do you feel like you're walking on eggshells around them? The way you feel is a good indication of really what's going on with frenemies. So why do people act like frenemies? There's quite a few reasons. One of the main ones is jealousy. If people are not happy when you have a success or a win, then it's possible that they're jealous of you. If you have a breakthrough in your career, if you are about to have an exhibition or opening or a book launch, when you tell them about it, they seem very distracted and they don't say much. And then when the big day comes around, they forget about it. And if you call them and tell them that the book launch is on, they'll say, "Oh, what book?" "Oh, I read lots of books. How can I keep up with your life and know about your book?" "I read lots of books." This is a sign they may be jealous. Also, if they don't encourage you when you're working hard towards a success. Another reason that people become frenemies is if they're codependent. They may pretend to be nice to you in order to get you to do things for them or so that they can drain your energy in some way. Also, people can be overly competitive. If they're always subtly putting you down, they may be doing this as a way to feel superior to you. Also, if people don't want to work for their own success or work through their own issues, they may discourage you from doing these things yourself. If it's a sibling, for example, if you work through your own issues, then siblings will see that the family dynamic is changing and they will be forced to look at their own issues. And so they may really try hard to stop you from changing and growing. Also, if you've joined a group, the members of the group may feel very welcoming and friendly at first, but after a while you realize that their friendliness is conditional. What they really want is for you to follow all the rules of the group and to take on all their beliefs. And if you disagree with the group's beliefs, then you might find that they will shame you or bully you. Even if you identify that someone might be a frenemy, it could be hard to leave that situation because of your own issues. So if you are lonely, you may feel like you have to put up with bad behavior from people because you don't have many friends, and so you can't afford to lose a friend. You may have low self-esteem, so you think you deserve bad treatment. Or you may be someone who really enjoys helping others and you don't realize that it's always you who's giving. It's always one way, and the frenemy who's taking from you. And so you end up being drained because you're being taken advantage of. If this is the case, then you must start to identify and address your own issues. Work on your own self-development. Have therapy if necessary. Read quality books and watch YouTube posts that educate you about a certain topic. Also learn to tolerate loneliness if that's a problem. Learn to really enjoy your own company and learn self-care. Learn how to look after yourself and be your own best friend. If you do these things, you will raise your own energy, your own vibration, and develop in a positive way. So you'll be more likely to be able to call out a frenemy and let go of them if necessary. It really depends on the extent of their bad behavior to you. Sometimes you may be able to talk to them about it. Sometimes you might just need to distance for a while. But sometimes you really need to let go. If you decide to let go of a frenemy, then make sure that you do it in a loving way. So you can let someone go and end the relationship while still wishing the best for that person. If you hate that person or you're trying to seek revenge, then you are compromising your own energy. So no matter how badly someone has treated you, when you let go, you must forgive them and wish them the best. It doesn't mean you have to condone what they've done. It doesn't mean you have to see them again. But you're doing this to raise your own vibration. And if you do this, you will clear out old energy and old patterns that no longer serve you. And you'll see that opportunities will open up in the future where you are able to meet people who have also worked through their issues and are able to be happy for their friends' successes and encouraging and wanting them to succeed. You'll be able to have a two-way relationship where there's give and take from both sides. And you'll feel energized and enthusiastic when you're around them instead of drained. So please like and subscribe if you found this interesting or helpful. Wherever you are in the world, I wish you love and courage on your journey, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.